Today I'm going to show you how I fold my blankies into a throw pillow. The best part about this fold is you can use pretty much any blanket. So you start by laying it out and you're going to fold it over a third of the way. Be sure to smooth out any wrinkles. You want this to be as flat as possible. Then you're going to fold the other side over so you make almost like a burrito. Then you just take one side and fold it over about the size you want your pillow to be. And you go to the opposite side and you start rolling. Again, almost like a burrito. When the two sides meet, you open the little pocket and you roll the other side right into that pocket. Make sure that you smooth out any lumps and bumps. Straighten everything out. This is so simple. And there you go. Your nice little throw pillow blanket. Now this fold is a little bit more difficult, but doable. You start off with a throw blanket. My blanket is super long, so I'm gonna have to do some extra tucking, but you fold it in half lengthwise. Then you can fold it in half again if you choose to, or you can start rolling from the first half fold. Here you want to make sure all the sides line up. It's nice and flat. It's great if you have a second person, but if not, you can just start rolling from one side and then come all the way across the blanket, keeping it as tight as you can keep it. Then we're going to do like this pretzel knot. So you put it in a U, place one side over the other, take the underside under and through the loop and pull. Not too tight, but you want to make sure everything is still neat. Here's where it starts to get a little tricky. So I just follow along the knot where the blanket is. And I cross this over the back part of the knot, as you can see here, and kind of tuck it under. And because my blanket's long, it sticks out a little bit. So I just find a space where I could neatly tuck this and still make this knot look like a knot. So you can make some adjustments just to ensure that it still looks neat. So it's really hard to explain this part, but if you just like kind of look at your knot and see where it can use a space or use a fold over and just tuck the edges and kind of squish it together. I watched the video for this so many times and it was so difficult, but we did it. And here it is.